Okay, I want to show you guys something I found about a week ago or so while going through what was an English language arts grade 8 curriculum on Anne Frank, really on World War II and the dualities of war and all that. But on this specific thing, the kids read a text from Anne Frank. And with my students didn't have any context of who that was, just a name. So here's what I did. I gave them this website, annefrank.org, the Anne Frank House, and I gave them this. I have a smart board, so I could put up on the board. They could just follow along. They all have Chromebooks, and this is going to give them kind of like the mental image that will go with the story they're going to read. Now, to make it more interactive, set up a Google Doc and then have the kids join me. You can put it in Google Classroom and tell them to join from there, or just have them, just put them on an email list and off you go. And I made a little scavenger hunt that the kids will just follow along. So I would write the question and they would refer back and forth. And I can see the icons too, so when they're in. All right, so let's step inside the secret annex. Go into the annex. Now, when kids, especially 8th graders, they hear annex, they don't know what that means. And I find that we often, teachers will say, oh, it's like an attic. But look around. It's more than that. So Nazi soldiers or somebody searching might come up these stairs. They'd hit this door, and maybe that's a bedroom. But up here, it looks just sort of like a blank space. Now, we know there's more to it. Oh, secret entrance. And kids can open this up. There's a little 2-minute video. Perfect for 8th graders. Go through the door. And then I gave them in my scavenger hunt, for instance, that they would turn to the right and go through this. Which room is this? More things for them to interact with. All the kids thought that this bathroom and the toilet was particularly weird. And that there's a window inside that leads to Anne Frank's bedroom. Which, hey, that's part of the story. Like, she had a really awkward situation. Now, give every room a couple of questions, lots of things for you to, kind of come up with scavenger hunt ideas for. Shouldn't be too tough. I think I ended up with like 10 or 12 questions, not a ton, but enough that, it took a day. It took an entire class period. Lots for the kids to manipulate and look around at, have them definitely look around the room, find stuff they didn't notice before. Just kind of neat. And very well done. Perfect middle school kids. And now they get a sense of what's meant, like if Anne Frank talks about being in the attic, that's a different space. And then the annex was, and you can kind of see down here, like this hidden area in the background of the house, the factory. All right. Just thought I'd share that. Hope you enjoyed.